What's up? Danny Hayasaka with Cullen and Hell Direct, helping people do their business better. So we're standing at the Avocor booth at Enterprise Connect 2024, and we have Jeff Boges, and he's going to share with us some of the technology they have showcased here today. Jeff, take it away.
All right, here we got the Desk 27, which is purpose-built for all of the Google meetings. Now, what's really unique about this is everyone is moving to some type of hot desking within their organization with this new distributed workforce. So with the Desk 27, you're getting touch capability, easily join into those Google Meet meetings that you have scheduled. You can USB-C into your laptop. And the really cool part about this is when you USB-C into your laptop, you're getting touchback capabilities in that environment. Now, Open Office, you also need an extension of that to maybe wheel around a meeting capability. So right here, in our Board 65 is the same type of experience. Now, I don't know if you know this, but in the beginning of, or late last year, Google announced that they're going to sunset Jamboard.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
So what we have showing here is actually one of the three applications that will replace the Jamboard application in Lucid Spark. Now, Lucid Spark is really unique that it has visual activities. It uses AI to generate ideas. I don't know about you, Danny, but sometimes in meetings, I can't really think of something to kick it off. So this application allows for that seamless integration within your Google Meetings. Avocor is at the heart of what we do, interactive touchscreen to bring teams together. They're bringing people up and collaboration. So with Logitech, this is our solution to an all-in-one device, if you will. But using the best of breed in audio and video of the Logitech Rally Bar, paired with our Avocor X Series. Now the highest touch technology and PCAP allows you to instantly join your Microsoft Teams meeting and really mount it to a wall, mount it to a cart. This comes in 65, 75, and 85 inches.
Wow, awesome.
What we're really excited about here at Enterprise Connect is this 138 inch, you can ban a white right in front of your direct view LED. Now you asked me, hey, what's the use case of something like
something this big,
Yeah, and what we're seeing our customers deploy this in is actually those large executive conference rooms, some of those wow moments of customer lobbies, or open office space where you're having your all hands meeting. And what's really cool about this big screen is that you can USB-C directly right here into the front. You've got a sound bar and HDMI, just like I'm doing into my laptop here. So when you think about guests coming in for presentations, easy access right to the front of the screen.
Oh, they just plug it,
just plug it right in. Yeah.
Woo, I feel like I'm moving.
You're traveling through the galaxy right there, right? Yeah,
awesome.
So put up your video meetings, put up those presentations, really replace those areas where projectors maybe took place, and with the cost of what these are today now, really affordable to create wow moments within your organization.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, well, Jeff, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
If you like this type of content, well, actually, if you want to learn more, we're going to include information about Avocor in the description box below. And as always, if you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.